with the demise of my solar charge controller, I don't know what killed it, I think I can make a new one. A better one. More sophisticated, yet no more expensive. Much better documented, with proper readouts as well, so you can more easily monitor things. And it built entirely using nice hobbyist friendly parts. Nothing obscure, nothing that's only available in SMD form. I mean, this op amp here, that's the LM358. You don't get much more cheap and universal than that. All this lot here, except for the Arduino that's being used as a ADC for taking measurements, is the mock-up of the board that will monitor currents. That's the current from the solar panel and the current to the load. And if you've got those two, you can calculate the current to or from the battery, which is what they actually need to know when it's time to switch it to saturation. And in keeping with the cheap and universally available parts method, there's no need for precision resistors. I mean, look at my shunts, the 2 bits of wire. No Mangalin shunt resistors here. No 1% or 0.1% tolerance, nothing like that. Just cheap and easily available and easily affordable parts. Now, using this approach, you're not going to get the same precision you get with more expensive components, but I can get good enough. And to show that, 0.74 amps, 0.72 amps. So that's almost in agreement. And if I crank this up, 1.26 amps, 1.29 amps. So yeah, it's a little bit off, but well within what I need. And that's all achieved without using any kind of instrumentation amplifier, anything like that. I'm quite happy with this, and I think with a few more minor tweaks, it's a bit of an issue with noise, need to put some caps in to fix that. This is ready to be transferred to strip board, and in the first of the 4 boards that make this thing up will be complete.